no idea what to expect. I had no idea what a design studio is. But let me tell you, after seeing this place, I'm totally amazed about the quality of the products, about the creativity with which the designs have been made, and I can only congratulate Häfele for the showroom they have put together here in Bangalore.
It's a fabulous booth. I think it's really well done. I think it's like a one-stop shop really. You can just come in, you can get something for your bathroom, for your bedroom, for your kitchen, for your dining, the lighting, your appliances. You can just get pretty much everything in one place, and I think that's pretty phenomenal in itself. I absolutely love the bathware. I think that's something really special and something really unique. So the whole industrial look that they had going for this year. Even the space-saving bed, I think that was fantastic. I think especially in Mumbai, we're all living in like these tiny matchboxes, and you know, you need that space. Every square foot counts, and if you have storage, if you have multi-purpose furniture, I think it's absolutely fabulous.
The heart of Häfele lies at innovation and design. The two products that have my heart have to be the copper shower heads and the monochrome bathtub. I think those two are fabulous. Häfele's really got you covered in terms of all the areas. Bed, bath, kitchen, they've got everything from small furniture to appliances to functional lighting. It's amazing. As I'm walking around, I keep seeing something new, something really interesting and innovative that they've done. And for me, I think that's amazing.
I'm at the India Design 2020 fair at Okhla NSIT grounds, and at the moment I'm at the Häfele booth, and the experience I had here was really amazing. The best being the Caesar stone that they've come out with, which they use as the kitchen surfaces, non-porous, very sturdy and robust material. And what is best about it is that in the kitchen, in Indian cooking, that we have so much of oil and spices, it doesn't leave a mark at all. It's non-porous and very easy to clean. The refrigerator, which is temperature controlled and has 7 different temperatures pertaining to what kind of food material you're storing in it. It's very close to nature, very smart in its design, very Scandinavian. And what I loved about it was the use of wood that they have used in little elements like the egg tray and the breakfast tray and other little elements that are used in the refrigerator. A very well appointed booth, and overall I had an amazing time, and I loved their products.
Hi, I'm Master Chef Mom Uma Raghuraman, and I've come to the India Design 2020. I'm at the Häfele booth. I just explored all their products. They have an amazing line of products, and one product that really impressed me was the steamer that is built into the oven. And when you steam, some of the nutrients is lost in the water, but in this oven, what it does is it retains all the nutrition. That's really something very impressive, and I would love to try it out in my kitchen. So do come and check out all their products.
Hafele, we went about 1 year before. I got instigation from my brother-in-law's house, and then we went to Hafele, a live kitchen at Thane. The showroom is big. We were satisfied and we went for it. Mr. Sagar we met, and he also explained us about the Hafele materials, scissor stone, and about 4-5 times we had sittings with him, and with the help of architect we could manage to get it, and all their equipments were very excellent. When there was some problem, what to say, hinges or something like that, immediately within 24 hours, his gentleman came. Throughout the project, he was able to give us the best service. Study table cum bed was shown to us, which was very unique piece. She need not have to lift anything that is being displayed on the table, and she can come back to the relaxing position of sleeping position on a bed. It's an amazing thing. And even including the shoe rack, you won't believe 48 pairs of shoes can be occupied in those shoe rack, which is amazing, and it is very impressive thing. They have completed within 45 days the entire project, and we are very satisfied. It's really nice. Thank you very much, Hafele team, for giving me an excellent and lovely, beautiful, spacious kitchen.
Lemon Tree is the fastest growing hotel chain in India, and we have partnered with Lemon Tree for all their hotel projects to supply Hafele shower enclosures. So currently we have delivered almost 1000 shower enclosures to Lemon Tree for all their hotel projects, and Lemon Tree Andheri is our latest project that we have recently done. Shower cubicle has become an essential part of Indian bathrooms. Shower cubicle helps to divide the bathroom into wet and a dry area, and it gives a good aesthetic value to all the bathroom. So Hafele, we have a different range of shower cubicle that can fit to any assembly. If you talk about the straight shower cubicles, if you talk about the L shape, if you are talking about the U shape, so we have wide range of shower enclosures available with Hafele.
When it comes to bespoke requests for Hafele shower enclosures, we have a dedicated team of experts to oversee and execute each installation. Hafele's installation specialists will make sure that each bathroom on site is checked and measured to exact dimensions to achieve perfection. We use the best quality materials right from the glass procured to even the silicone used, and also have quality checks in place after installation to ensure that our customers gets the right solution and experience with us.
Hi everyone, this is Janvi here. I am the EM for the Lemon Tree Hotel Premier Mumbai. As you are aware that it's a very fastest growing chain in the country. We've partnered with Hafele and would like to tell you we're extremely happy with the product, and we're utilizing their shower fittings and enclosures in all our properties. Absolutely trustworthy and great in their services too. So we're absolutely happy with them. Thank you.